Hey travelers, ready to jet off on your next big adventure? Hold on a sec, let's make sure you're not leaving anything important behind. Here are 15 travel essentials that you absolutely can't forget. Without a proper checklist, these items often get overlooked. Let's dive in. First up, your travel documents. Passports, IDs, tickets, hotel confirmations. Keep them safe and accessible. Trust me, you don't want to be scrambling at the airport. Next, a power bank. A dead phone battery can be a trip ruiner. Always carry a fully charged one. For international travelers, travel adapters are a must. A universal adapter ensures your devices stay powered anywhere. Don't forget your medications and a first aid kit. Daily meds, band-aids, health essentials are non-negotiable. A reusable water bottle is key. Stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Pack some snacks. Non-perishable options can save you during unexpected delays. Comfortable shoes are a lifesaver. You'll be doing a lot of walking, trust me. Toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and travel-size shampoo are often forgotten, but crucial. A travel pillow is a game-changer for long flights or road trips. Get some rest on the go. Headphones or earbuds, don't leave these behind. Entertainment during travel is super important. Rain gear, like a compact umbrella or lightweight rain jacket, can save you from unexpected showers, a travel guide or map. Digital apps are great, but a physical backup can be a lifesaver when tech fails. Cash and credit cards. Have some local currency and make sure your cards work at your destination. Extra clothes are essential. Spills, weather changes, better safe than sorry. Lastly, copies of important documents. Photocopies or digital backups can be a lifesaver in case of loss or theft. Pro tip: create a comprehensive travel checklist and double-check it before you leave. It'll save you from unnecessary stress and ensure you're well prepared. Safe travels, everyone.